This is Mr. Sachin Kharade, Assistant Professor, Kekewa College of Agricultural Biotechnology, Nasik, going to deliver a topic on Golgi apparatus, that is basic structure and the function. So the outline of my today's topic is history and discovery of Golgi complex. Then the other names, occurrence, morphology, biochemical properties, origin and biogenesis, and the functions in the plant and animals. So the basic history of these Golgi complex are as follows. An Italian neurologist, Camillo Golgi, in the year 1873 discovered the Golgi apparatus. By the reporting the existence of such an organelle inside the cell, he raised a storm of controversy known as Golgi controversy. So other names are as follows. Due to their high lipid content, Golgi apparatuses were called lipochondria. Since originally these were known to the networks, they were also called as dictyosomes, also known as Golgi complex, Golgi zones, Golgi bodies, Golgi material, Golgi membrane, etc. So the Golgi apparatus of plant or lower invertebrates is usually referred to as Golgi bodies or dictyosomes. So the occurrence of this Golgi apparatus occurs in all cells except the prokaryotic wise mycoplasma, bacteria, and blue-green algae, and eukaryotic cells of certain fungi, sperm cell of bryophytes, mature sperms, or red blood cell of animals. One animal cell usually contains a single Golgi apparatus, but number vary from cell to cell and from animal to animal. Nerve cell, liver cell, and oocytes having multiple Golgi apparatus. Single algae or single algal cell contain 25,000 Golgi apparatus. So this depends on animal to animal or cell to cell. So the basic morphology of this Golgi apparatus are as shown in the picture. So Golgi apparatus having incoming transport vesicle, then the lumen in between the incoming and outgoing vesicle, then the C space, then the outgoing transport vesicle, then the newly formed vesicle are as shown in the figure. Also cisternae present inside the Golgi apparatus. So the morphology of this Golgi apparatus is very similar in both plant and animal cell. Its shape and form vary from cell to cell. Golgi apparatus appears as a complex array of interconnecting tubules, vesicles, and cisternae. So cisternae or flattened sac, simplest unit of Golgi apparatus is cistern. This is a membrane-bound space in which various materials and secretions may occur. Numerous cisternae are associated and appears in a stack like. The group of cisternae is called as dictyosomes, and group of dictyosomes make up the cell's Golgi apparatus. So the next part one is the tubules, a complex array of associated vesicles and tubules that is 30 to 50 nanometer in diameter surrounds the dictyosomes. And third part, that is vesicles. Vesicles are of three types. First one is the transitional vesicle, second one is the secretory vesicle, and third one is the Carthian coated vesicles. So first one is the transitional vesicles, from as blebs from the transitional endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi. Then the secretory vesicles occurs between Golgi and plasma membrane. And third one plays a role in intracellular traffic of membrane and secretory products. So this is the basic structure of Golgi apparatus. So the biochemical properties of Golgi apparatus are as follows. Glycosyl transferase and thiamine phosphatase localized in the cisternae. Transferase enzyme are present in the membrane of Golgi apparatus. So the acid phosphatase present in GERL region. Then the Golgi apparatus of animal cell contain following important enzyme, that is oxidoreductase, phospholipase, then kinase, glycosyl transferase, and glucotransferase, etc. So the origin of this Golgi apparatus, that is method of origin of Golgi apparatus, is de novo formation. Individual stacks of cisternae may arise from the pre-existing stacks by division or fragmentation. Membrane of Golgi apparatus originates from the membrane of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Cells of dormant seed of higher plant generally lacks Golgi apparatus. So the functions of Golgi apparatus are as follows. Golgi vesicles are often referred to as traffic police of the cell. They play a key role in sorting many of the cell protein and membrane constituents and in directing them to their proper dimensions. Golgi enzymes adds signals or tags such as carbohydrates or phosphate residues to certain proteins to direct them to their proper destination. In plants, Golgi apparatus is mainly involved in the secretion of materials of cell wall, that is lipid, glycoproteins, cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Involved in the cell plate and cell membrane formation of daughter cell. So in animal Golgi apparatus, it is involved in the packaging and exocytosis of the mucus, that is glycoprotein, lactoprotein secretion by the mammalian gland, then secretion of collagen, and fourth one is the formation of melanin and other pigment. It is also involved in the formation of cellular organelle like plasma membrane, lysosomes, acrosomes of spermatozoa, and granules of oocytes. So the summary of our today's topic, that is first of all Golgi apparatus, which is discovered by the Camillo Golgi in the year 1873, and which having the many more controversy. We can call it as a Golgi controversy. It is also various names like a Golgi complex, Golgi zones, then the Golgi bodies, then the Golgi materials, then the Golgi membranes. So occurrence of this Golgi complex occurs in the cell except the prokaryotic cell and some of the eukaryotic cell. So these Golgi apparatus which are present in the different numbers from cell to cell or animal to animal. So this is the basic morphology of this Golgi complex, and which having the various parts of their structure, that is cisternae or flattened sac. Next one is the tubules. Third one is the vesicles, and vesicles are divided into three types, that is transitional vesicle, secondary vesicle, and cladrine coated vesicles. So the biochemical properties of Golgi complex are as follows. We have already seen, and the origin or formation is by de novo method. So the functions, that is traffic police, add signals or tag, then secretion of materials of cell wall, then involved in the packaging and exocytosis, and formation of cellular organelles like a plasma membrane and lysosomes. So with this content, we will stop here. Thank you for watching.